Hey everybody, it's Dr. Dawn and we are on day 3. I am so excited for you. I'm so proud of you because you are being intentional about walking with God at a whole nother level. On day 3, James chapter 2 tells us that faith without works is dead. What that is simply saying is that there needs to be some corresponding action between what you believe, what you say you have faith in, and how you execute, how you operate, your actions. We know that with true, sincere faith, you are going to be influenced. Different things are going to be influenced in your life. Your actions are going to be influenced. Your words are going to be influenced. Your deeds are going to be influenced. And this is what we hope to see as you increase in your faith and your walk with God. That your actions, your deeds, and your words look like you believe what God said about you. Now, as we continue on to day 4, I'm believing that you're going to do what you need to do in your book. Follow the instructions. Make sure you write the scripture in the version of the Bible that best relates to you, what you understand, what you feel comfortable with, what you're drawn to, and that you continue in this journey of faith so that you can see the results that God has for you at the end. I do not think that this is an accident, that we are in this space of faith going into 2025. God has promised it to you, whatever your it is. It could be your family. It could be your finances. It could be your business, your job, a relationship. I don't know what your it is, but it will arrive in 2025 because you're going to be prepared for it. I am so excited for you. Listen, if you got this early on, you jumped on it in pre-order and got the free version, I'm so excited for you. Make sure you share this with someone else. But look, if you got it when it went on sale for $21, $1 a day, it is still worth so much more, and it's going to add so much more value to your life. I am excited for you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Introduce someone else to this 21-day faith journey, and we're going to be right here with you on day 4. Again, I'm Dr. Dawn. I'm so excited for you, and I love you so much. I'm so amazed by God's grace, and I'm looking forward to hearing your testimony. Come on, and let's do day 4. Keep going. Don't quit, and I'll see you on the other side.